area na tongeria babeto kinya mporo bomweri bwito mwendete
ure Meru TV itocokia nkatho no ntu abure ana beto na tukona thai ba tutambe twekura no ntu nya ba tukumenyekana ura bangi bamenyekana ntereringi tutura kwana station cionthe kiarua endu ote yange twana twana siba ya letu kona ana beto batu ciarete tuingwa rebe ito turigana
abatu nende turare nende ochionje nende tuwitaitia ngochokia nkatho ni Meru TV ni onto bwangwira ya turitira ni onto thai ba uturikana na ni bare arenge na da bare arenge bare no onto babatue mwishoeri group era toria akoro na ekoro ntiwa na muno utetheriana no tongweto muno era twendete saidi no utetheriana
Winde bakiromba kinyatongoria bangi na nto bangi bawendi bobweya bombe kwithia ni botonyera na kuibwa thina icio na kubatetheria
twene tukuromba utethio kiri gavana wetu Mutuma ni onto itwandikite kinya proposal ya kuromba utethio ni tukuromba batu tutethio ni kenda tumbe gwitethia na tumbe gutethia na bau betu baba no tutena njirengi para bombo tutethia ni Meru TV
batu tona tutethia u tukona nya yonto kailemia na utethia antu naraura endu tuturigana no batu twandika proposal kenda twandikirwa arimo twandika proposal kenda twa inyambori kana bia bakenda twagenda tu support ana beto kwithirwa ana beto bamwe bathomere bai guthoma baumara skuru ao bete baria mesi twale monigore arimu twekora monigore arimu ibaire botheri bamwe bokona kugia njera bakerera na utheri batikinya bwana bia buitethia tutamenya ngai yego ngambije wetere tutamenyanga na tunere anga na irwere tutamenya biutwe
kwena mboa ubokuona na matangi ya reuro na kawoshi ni mami nyumbeye na rokiringo kure kwa chibo nimbi no nto twana rwero na beto twandika bele kawoshi ni yele twandika na belo mona kawoshi mo ngenge kawoshi ye kwa cha thambia ngari
Kiripotera Meru TV kuma Kangeta Wande Gembe Central mbeta mukiri ankonja
Ibaya muno mwandiki wetu wa ndeto mukiri onkonja no tubo twambiria ndeto cia Meru TV oro na njira ikinyanilite ngindo Kimathi Mutwiri ora ni mutongeri na musiasa na nkurukiro rutangwa bichini ya munini wa rais Kithure Kindiki na chumirite na kutharikira nene Mithika Linturi ni migambo mithukura mbetu kwithira kiruta ya kumenere thirikari ya rais Ruto na munini wawe Kithure Kindiki akiromana ni Mithika Linturi nethire akiwatira Kithure Kindiki ndoni na rais Ruto no ntuku ina mirandi ira bethirite bakireta kaunti-ini ya Meru nkuruki na rombete ya Meru awita na mbere na kuyika thirikari ya rais Ruto na munini wawe Kithure Kindiki Jeff gitumi mwandiki wetu wa ndeto na ina riboti
nawe Gideon Kimathi Mutwiri muritingo giobisine ya Profesa Kithure Kindiki ura ni munini wa rais bari na Edwin Kiongozi ni baumirite na kuthumbia bunene Mithika Linturi ure baugite ngugi yawe nandi ni kumenithania kariba Tharaka-Nithi na kaunti ya Meru
muntu ugwetwa mheshimiwa Mithika Linturi shetani ashindwe ararumanire goro auga ati Kindiki mu Meru shetani ashindwe ndau andu ngameaja mboria Kindiki mu Meru kate mu Meru mu Meru kate mu Meru Tharaka-Nithi Meru kana te Meru Mithika Linturi nerwo uyu achokere akue kinyantoro ntimina achokere akue na achokere tethasa urio karingithia Kindiki tutena ngugi nawe ni magana tema Mithika Linturi atemenya kweja kutwenderia Gachagua wa Mathira aitwira ati Kindiki ati bui wa Tharaka-Nithi ariko ni ati Gachagua Mathira akabwende Kindiki ategetate ndienda kuromba mheshimiwa Mithika Linturi uyu turenda witekere Njuri Ncheke nonto thirikari ya Meru netonga iruinya ni Njuri Ncheke bwana Yesu asifiwe na Njuri Ncheke ni aragia tokaigua ima kana tema turenda kethira imutane tekere Njuri Ncheke amere akuregana na Tharaka ithirere Meru Njeru Ncheke egamba ririko ategamba ririko gutiombeka gutuika mitheka rinturi arekara jeronde uria wenda kuraga kana Jesu shetani ashindwe. Ria mumero wa mbere akweria gite kia urais wa mbere kuigwa nande muntu na kumera naja akiuga ati Tharaka te Meru bacho turenda umwira Tharaka ne Meru na gutoga tutunya na bacho Kindiki twe tayari kwethira twenoe mwanka 2027 turingira William Ruto 2032 no Kindiki rais wake
ni aria kiaria Edwin Kiongozi nawe akuri na bubwa kuga
Kindiki William Ruto Ruto turenda kwira mitheka rinturi na gwate nthoni nontu kethe ate Kindiki kimathi ati engugine nontu kethe ate Kindiki Meru twetarawa turitaro nontu bwa kithure Kindiki mitheka rinturi no nontu bwa kiukia warendo twendi uria twenderia ari waziri ale into bieto bya agriculture kwengo William Ruto akara kwa wenja eu ni othenere no na Kindiki Mheshimiwa mitheka rinturi atarire fertilizer urona fertilizer goko atayokeria makona into bionde bya agriculture etabio atayokeria mengawarambia koiga yale miarendiewe wa unenda kwera mitheka rinturi kwera mitheka rinturi gwa Tanzania Meru ni onere nchamba inge mitheka rinturi ale twira Meru Tharaka nithi te Meru ugwetekaniria Tharaka nithi yetu ni Meru Tharaka te Meru Cement te Meru ugwetekeria Tharaka ni Meru ugwetekeria Kindiki Meru o mitheka ende asiende Gachagua ende asiende Munyoro atembe asitembe omwere narwa kithure Kindiki bamurumira bamweta Sapurano demwera narwa atoro maromba kobwero te Sapurano te thitha jerombo nande batwe twitana manto yo twera gete twete wa Munyoro tugeta Tharaka andu betu ni ale kwakue Tharaka akue Tharaka te Meru eyo kiantu agekira mbachine agikeria Karonjo ke Meru aleta karuma Kindiki akana Gachagua ke Meru Kindiki wetu bugetekeria komukaria antu betu muntu ni antu bao Kenya antu bale aria mantu ya antu bao Karonjo bakaria mantu ya antu bao batwe muntu ule munene wetu te Kindiki ugetekeria tukali kithure Kindiki bena William Ruto kenda 2032 tuonete kia raisi wapi wale wanasema Kindiki anatosha wapi Kindiki
kiripotera Meru TV mbeta Jeff Wagitumam
Ibeya muno mwandiki wetu wa Ndeto Jeff Wagituma bamwe bakariba kumantere Gembe South bacyumirite na kuria atongeria abethere bakiringa siasa cyathere na siasa itina irumina bone nyuma ya CS ura wari CS wa tene mithika lenturi kuoneka akiaria amegambe muthuku yakunie na kinya kurumanga CS wa Rui Daniel Muga
biore nuko bwere sima ila sima reye kabarero toyira kreito murunge wiyeke narenga bana kapita munya kaka yuyu inyo otwarire nkware buruwe niyo yatongocha abantu niyo ke Meru
ni miarie wari waziri wa urimi Mithika Linturi norari ndi ni mubangani munene ukiama kia DCP Nthiguru niyo ekumeneria waziri urikuo oru Nthiguru akiwa ya mwana munini no talindia ndo kwithira tongeretie Meru thai niwe tioyeri na uthonia kari pakuma mawe Gembe South na araba kuwa mwana muga nawe kanya aritere Meru ya nenkero imukathe babonthi William Samoei Ruto
Kuragia gona mwana na kwa kama unera miti uwo abati umuntu amete amutana urabati kutagitawo atibati omuruma amudari sa utumwana oke na imwensake neiba kumaturemo
oni ankora kapteni agarumere kiringi
oni ndori ne kapteni Lentore no ntoba weta kimowa kware koire wanda mpempe mundrene yaku Lentore wethera kenja mpempe uria wethera mpioka emwata onto mweta nkware mwana ora mwaneto na igithomo kiake kitumite ethira akirita ngui na yukitu ithirikari na mwana wetu wachetha no menye mwana na kithomo kiake kiri uru inyacitie giaku na mwana athomete arita ngwire kugenda mwita nkware iwo nkuria no nchokerie umbire imbibi atomo mwita nkware na ikithomo kiake gikua onia ngwire ndakuromba nthonire batu twatambwire mwa aikuyukiete kiu no ntu batu tutaigua kokuonthe kwina malalamiko kiriwe
oni birabi bitomete mbe yao eti lentore arungamira akanywa kanene kweta mwana onge rukwale ka mweta rukwale wona kona rigi mwa kario nkware kana no to murungu na motetherie aithira ari aware na iberu rorido ndaika kale tore bano to no aremere mapema na ito wize kuma kaumo eka wika eruana baitha rorido orere kimwa murungu amutharima wasiesi teka mwana onge atoritere gwena utonokona kwera akoritere mbeya wore na ware nau utebo thithacia lakini thai nokona rajire kwiberu eri kimwa rorizo we mwetaro kware bibi bithoretie na le tore watera anene bange thoni ko no munene oku eri kimwa munene oku na ore theke ko mwatere heshima na wethero rene heshima kire atongoria
former CS wa agriculture ketha no remero ikumenyera CS no remero ikumenyera ngwe ku reka mugari tengwe batu ito tambua thirikari ruto no ntone tambwire ana babethi na ya muga ereki muga ya mwangwe ende wante ko meimbibi atoma weta mwano itha nkware ina netheka bacio-metie bagathomethia mwana ora na mumo yo muthomethia wowe thirikari kone kithomo yake ikikufaya ewe CS warui ende imbibi atoma weta mwano itha nkware twithomethia na beto kenda baukira
ya kabubuteani kiria kariba bariwa onto tweta ciacene cia 2027 niweta mutongeria ubui kwithira kirumoro nginontu o muntu nokakambia miru na birakona birethira biebi yake na kuuzia niringwe cia thiri
kwe miaria yarirwo boriti amucamanio na yonge yarirwo na kinya kethira bochindana kana o muntu ane interest ciawe ki politics gintu kira kiyo mbere muntu akiaririe mutono-ina kana kinya moro-ina na amenya ndeto irakwaria ite umukera na ite kuruyanithia antu ende gintu kira nkuromba viongozi bwesimiane na heshima irio rikurakia mugongo na kinya bara bainyuma bakathia ta politics ira bwena cio ikaomba kuria bara bange bainyuma kinya bakia bakamenya utongoria ti challenges cia irumi kana wikanira mitete bui bweya na heshima nonto wachiria mwana ora nthonia wachiria nonto kinya we na kwenda uongozi kinya githiro te siasa kuromba thai
ore ndo twonie kinya kendekete momero kachagwa no momero twereke tha kachagwa uo kuya kwendia ko no momero kendeke momero na imwene to na ito mwendete no te mwanyo momero na mutharaka reka tuthomora na igua tukua tukario turia kuruba thoko
nkiripotera Meru TV kumembe mbita wakome wa mutia
Iberia muno mwandiki wetu wa Ndeto Kome wa Mutia tugete na mbere na riboti cietu Rais William Ruto na munini wawe Kithure Kindiki ariba ikinyetie antere cio mabena kinyasia yakire wayani bombecha cia kigina Kenyota akiri ayuthi Kindiki akiari no gete mbecha ici gokiria ayuthi akuma wandi cionthe cia nthiguru ya Kenya na cikatethia ayuthi akumba kwithira bagicikira biashara ria cikabatethia uturone kaite ni ukau Rais Ruto nu akiari na gwetete mubango ya Nyota kende akwina mibango ingi kathumba ira yerigiri kuya kenda ithire kiguna ayuthi.
Program hii ya Nyota ni program ya kusaidia vijana na iko na component kama component mara 4. Iko na component ya business support ambayo ndio hii kila vijana kati ya 70 na 85 katika kila wodi shilingi 50,000. Leo mnatoka hapa na 25,000, later mtapata 25,000, 6,000 will go to your savings. Na hii ni pesa ya kuinua vijana katika biashara. wengine watapata skills, wengine watapata recognition of prior learning, na wengine wataingizwa katika program ya AGPO, Access to Government Procurement. Kwa jumla vijana 820,000, 820,000 young people will get support using this Nyota program, one of the many initiatives that this government is undertaking to empower young people. Nyota is just one of the initiatives. We have other initiatives in digital jobs, in affordable housing jobs, in overseas jobs, and I am sure through your administration, Mr. President, we are going to witness the transformation of millions of young people in your first term as you look towards your second term of your administration. Mr. President, I want to say this, that today it is evident that the bottom-up economic transformation agenda is not just a slogan. It is now evident that Pesa Mfukoni was not just a campaign slogan. Leo hawa vijana 8,820 wanatoka hapa na pesa. Hiyo ndio maana ya Pesa Mfukoni. Rais aliongea siku ile ya campaign. Rais Ruto ni fire si fire. Rais Ruto ni noma si noma.
Musikubali wale watu hawana agenda ya kutupeleka mahali popote. Tunataka kama wako na agenda bora kuliko sisi, watueleze ni agenda gani wako nayo. Don't tell us you are going to drive the country backwards into 10 years. Tell us how we are going to move the country forward. Kwa hivyo mimi nawauliza vijana wa Kenya, na nataka vijana wa Kenya munisikize vizuri. Vijana hoye! Vijana hoye! Vijana wa Kenya, mimi nataka niwaeleze form ni kujituma. Tuko na nafasi ya kazi kwa affordable housing. We have 500,000 young people working there. As that program continues to roll out, we will reach 1 million young people. Number 2, tuko na kazi pale kwa digital jobs. We continue to expand our fiber optic. We continue to expand our ICT hubs. We have 300,000 young people working today. We want to get to 1 million. Mujitume kwa digital jobs. Number 3, we have a program on export of labor. As we talk to you, in the last 3 years, 538,000 young people are working outside Kenya. All you need to do is to use your phone. Enda kwa mtandao katika National Employment Authority portal na utapata nafasi ya ajira hapo. Utafanya kazi nje, utalipwa na dola, utaleta pesa nyumbani, tutaendesha taifa letu, wewe ujitume. And number 4, unaweza kwenda hash ama *254#, uende katika program ya Nyota. Tuko na 4 different programs, ujipange na hapo. I want to say, for the avoidance of doubt, there has never been a much more comprehensive program of the empowerment of the young people of the Republic of Kenya than what we have today. It is deliberate, it is intentional, it is practical, it is real. Na ndio sababu mimi nawauliza vijana wa Kenya, we are transforming this nation one step at a time. Na mambo itabadilika, Kenya itabadilika na
Baya mno mategeri wa Meru TV no tupokona kanyaka ututhiatira kire mitandao yo kinyanilia na kinya kire Facebook, YouTube na Signet na kinya Meru TV twaigira gatanze gicunci getu kia mbere kia ndeto cia Meru TV oro itucokerete na munanile wetu wa mathithio Paul Wangujiri akiri weta na mbere no kunenkeria ndeto ora chikwithira chitu kinyela methene yetu ya ndeto.
My name is Michael Maina, the Senior Principal, Mokiria Technical Training Institute in Meru County. I want to take this opportunity to welcome each one of you to our graduation ceremony that will take place on Friday, 6th February 2026 at Mokiria Technical Training Institute grounds. The guest of honor will be the Principal Secretary, State Department for TVET, Dr. Esther Dhara Moria. You are all welcome to celebrate with us. Thank you.
Mokiria Technical Training Institute, class of 2026. Hooray!
Queens Chicken and Chips Hotel jo okenere bia kuria na bia kunywa bietu bire bidhuraniri na kiwango kia iguru. Turi mutidwa akwina Meru Mosque. Turi na starters ta shawarma na kebabs, extras ta cheese na samosas, fresh juice cha mithemba yonthe, rotisserie chickens, chips, chicken pieces, combo meals, kings meals, family packs, anitogitaga outside catering. Turi na outside catering offer kiri customers bambere. Kobe amanto nkoroki turingire dimogo korokira 0727 775 555. 19 Coins Chicken and Chips Hotel. Fresh and tasty.
Igita ria kuria gutethekanirirĩkĩtie gukinya arĩ okaigwatĩra bikibiki na kogori gaka nini gakothu Tiger Captain Motorcycle nĩ tũkwendia bikibiki ithongi cia Tiger Captain na twĩna mondero jo mweru jo muthongi Captain Max 150/30 ĩtĩnyunya mauta kenunkaira gwitia kibari na kunoja kwĩna ma nĩ tũraburetere bikibiki inge ithongi muthemba juria jwa stima koga chanji ĩtĩnyunya mauta na nĩtũgwatanĩrĩte na watu credit Sako baria ukumba kwithirwo kiria koguri kanini mantu jakabua kiria gikwendekana garanto mwe na ka deposit na kibande KRA pin. Tiger Captain Motorcycle twendene ya mutindo kangangi o aja gaitia musigiti ringa namba iji nikendo karani na bautwe nikendo gatetheka ija ucionere into bikibiki niyo eu twina offer ne Tiger Captain Motorcycle endia babikibiki bare nkuma kathetu ni Kameru.
Yasa, odi, Antobeto, Meru County, Rakanivi County, Isiolo County, na Kinyambu County, Ntore Sion, the City Kireti, Turi beyond the Vian, the Virabi Magaruo, Kujanantato, Sirena Muro, Tamatanta, Jamasono, Jagi, and Pekiaoki. Atea, where Okwanda Quadra, Oena, Manto, Kwanda Komeni Vianto, look on the track, Kana, Gare, Arudishu, Ajaneotori. Nini wewe areria antora ndongo na ndongo antoba kuigwe warie tankongi maugene atiri gwokwenda kugire skuru yaku gwokwenda kuthia road show kana kiatho kira kionthe kwenda sauti yenene atiri aja tuli na ngare ya road show ira tugukunenkera na maguri jara kuguna muko jo waku na kinyawenda tukwejania mona mugi kana na MC sound irere aja nire tionekete kaire kuma ndiguru rombo kuma gitara baroti ko yegitara banu mwanga gucoka kwa Jesu runguru area iguru na matuna kinyamanga nyoni na ndenjo mo gutoneka taeje Limo namba 0725 170 744 withirogisi gwatira ngari yaku ya road show na kinyoke ya kuthawina kiatho aunja ni otorito rakwe na gwe taritho na gutu nini wewe turekane you can read about it in the Daily Express.
na kire gicunji ketu kia bieli kia ndeto chia Meru TV Oro CS wo karibu ndene Kipchumba Murkomen na kiaria arintere chia West Pokot akiri mutaratarayo kuruguria usajili mashinani mobile ID na oreti ya mwingi akumba kwithira bagichiwire na kuyukia ibande barabati na ibande na kinyabara abetherete bagiachinerebo kuyukira ibande kandi gukaita kauchumiria na uchiandikithia bari aringi kura na njiremo ya kumba kwithira bagiyukia ibande rabaugite baithirikari bagatiro mtu wonde akumba kwithira kiona kanya akakuyukia kibande.
We're here today to assess the security situation in the border of West Pokot and Turkana County, especially this area of Aro sub-county. As you have seen, there have been various attacks on both sides of the boundary, and it is perpetuated by criminals who are out there to cause fear among citizens. As you know that we've made some progress when it comes to the disarmament in the Pokot, West Pokot, Elgeyo Marakwet and Baringo boundaries. Our next phase was between Turkana and West Pokot County, and this is an exercise we are doing in the next few months. The security teams have been putting together the necessary equipment, and the officers are being assembled and they're undergoing some training, and the operations will start soon. We are aware that some of these criminals have the support of some business people, some political actors, and those are the ones who are supplying ammunitions, inciting violence, and they are on both sides of the two counties, and they have been profiled. We know where they are. I just want to tell them that they should visit Baringo or Elgeyo Marakwet County, or the boundary between Elgeyo Marakwet and West Pokot, and see what happened a few months ago. It will be very painful for them in the shortest time here coming. I know there will be very fast politicians who will make some noise. We know them. They have profiled them. We know their agents, and we know those who are buying ammunition and so forth. We are coming for you, and I want to tell you that it will be very, very painful. We have gone through this before, so they cannot scare us. And I know that some of those attempted attacks, in fact, I've been told that there was today an attack within Turkana itself, between two groups within Turkana itself. It's very shameful, apparently to show defiance when it comes to security operations here. We know even those who wail most, and yet they are the worst inciters in terms of perpetuating these acts of banditry. So tell them that they can get excited at the moment, but soon they will be no more. They will be nowhere to celebrate what this kind of looting they are attempting. Let them look at me and speak with a straight face. I know where we've come from the last 1 year. I know the areas that we have been able to liberate from banditry. I know, and I've told the country, this part of the world around this area and this boundary has faced challenges in the recent past, but I must say that the government of Kenya and the security officers who are carrying out operations are now well prepared, and you'll be reading in the news in the near future. You'll see a lot of noise here, and that noise will lead to a permanent silence. Thank you very much. Sure, the people of Turkana and West Pokot County are peace-loving, that peace is coming. Yeah. It is sometimes dark before dawn, and it's just a matter of few days.
CS wakigina John Bandi sorry CS wakigina John Bandi ne thirita gikinya kaunti ya Meru kuthikira na kinya kwaranira na Meru na kuigwa uge bwobo egie embanjeti mwaka twitite yo 2026 2027 haki ari na ugete nende agete na mbere na kuthikira Kenya akenda kuigwa uge bwobo egie embanjeti mwaka twitite riboti mwandiki wetu wa Ndeto Mutugi wa Kiambi.
Ikinyite kaunti ya Meru kiri kuojania maoni ja mwingi kururi amendikithia ja kuthondekwo kwa bajeti ya mwaka jwa 2026-2027. Minista wa kigina ja nthiguru ne John Mbadi na atumiritie thugania ria thirikari ria kwinika ngarama ya ugoti kiria Kenya bakwamukira mushara jumukai na njira ya gwikia rwaria kiri mbunge nene.
That we have agreed with His Excellency the President that low-income earners in this country should be given a reprieve. We have agreed with His Excellency the President. He has directed me to take to Parliament a proposal. I'm not even waiting for finance bill to come in June. I am taking tax laws amendment bill to Parliament. Once Parliament resumes, we are preparing that bill. Take to them to approve so that any Kenyan, and by the way, how many Kenyans are salaried? About 3,065,165 Kenyans. Out of these 3 million, 1.5 million Kenyans are earning 30,000 shillings and below. 30,000. 30, like this. Mheshimiwa, just look at your salary and mine. And imagine that someone who is earning 30 and myself, that government is coming for our money, both of us. So we have said government should come for my money and leave the person who is earning 30,000 alone. So any Kenyan, if this law, and I'm sure, I don't think there is any mad MPs in Parliament.
Mwena bubu kuringana na Mbadi thirikari nitumaira kigena gia nkurukia trilioni 1.1 kuria marandu na nkurukia bilioni 900 kuria mushara jwa ritingugi ba thirikari na kenda kuona mbeca cia mirandi ya witi na mbere no mwanka thirikari ithire kigita Kenya ugoti ni kenda kwebukana na marandu nkuruki.
So, and that is the money we need to give you for capitation in schools. That's the money that we should give for health. So for us to develop this country, we go out there to borrow money. So we have only two choices: to tax you more or borrow more. Those two choices are closed. Borrowing more is not an option now. The principles of taxation dictate that you should tax wealth. Number two, kama pesa haijatosha, then tax income, but never tax trade. So we are trying to avoid taxing trade and reducing taxation on income, but tax wealth.
Nikirimo chemania jojwari ya mubunge Rahim Dauda gwikinyetie akiuga bari tayari kwariria mbiru yeko ni uthurania bwa maoni ja mwingi kwebukana na nkuchanio koti na magita kwa magita.
Bill ya public participation, which is in a committee I am in, of Honorable Chepkonga with Honorable Otiende Omolo. So tunafanya hiyo bill ya public participation to be going through so that the courts do not throw out each and every public participation.
Kiripotera Meru TV kuma gicigo bunge kia North Imenti, Mbeita Mutugi wa Kiambi.
Ibaya muno mwandiki wetu wa Ntheto Mutugi wa Kiambi, mabithaa bane makuma Meru bagotanirite na kaunti ya Meru na kinya thirikari nene bakungwirite ntuku ya wetlands kaunti ya Meru na nene ya Meru abethirite bakiru bachumire na kwanda miti muno ya mbibo mauta irenjire mwe kwithira bakimenyera riera na kenda kinyambura yumba kwithira ikiana riboti ya mwandiki wetu wa Ntheto Jeff Wagituma.
Nabo maabithaa bane maaja kaunti ya Meru na kinya maabithaa ba thirikari nene na thirikari ya kaunti bagwatanirite na kuruba njuri ncheke muthenya jwa narua ni bathithitio wandi bwa miti ntere cia nyanya ireri ya boge ta ya bogaiti kiri gicigo mbunge gia South Imenti iri njira ya mwanya ya gukungwira World Wetlands Day untu na bubwithirite bukithithika nthiguru yonthe nara bakiaria na andiki ba Nteto bainyiritie kweberia miti mibao akwina nduji nabo ni nyuma ya Miuro Kathumba ja kaunti ya Meru kwithira yambiritie kunyara.
uria waandite mubao ndene riparian land nande mutijungi mutiju na faida kiri era twaturetera era rirega indi rutikunywa ruji rwetu miti njuri tuga twande miti iria ino chore nai na ruji ikyo gituma njuri kiraria niko ita wa njuri irawa ni environmental friendly organization nonto nio awakiraria niko ya njuri ncheke.
The government ilisema that hizo miti zote 30 meters from the river lazima zifanye nini? Na ni ombi langu ya kwamba wakati tutaanza kuzitoa pamoja na watu wa WRA na KWS, community ya hapa itatuunga mkono. Mtatuunga mkono? Mtatunga mkono? Ama mtasema miti ni yenu na nyinyi mlipanda? Na sinakausha maji. Kwa hivyo lazima tufanye nini? Lazima tuitoe 30 meters from the river.
Nĩ arĩa kinya bonene kũrega kũng'anĩrwa kwao nĩ arĩmi athao bethirĩte bagĩtũmĩra ndawa kũrĩma na kuga imwe cia ndawa iji nĩcio ciethirĩte cikĩreta mũrimũ wa kansa ja kaunti ya Meru.
So agriculture inputs is also another challenge. Unasikia kuna hiyo Roundup, sijui siku hizi kuna nyingine inaitwa super sijui ya kukausha. Kwa nini sasa tuende kwa hiyo taratibu? That is laziness. In fact that is laziness. Na kama kuna taasisi zile za usika iweze kuchukua hatua kwa haraka, sababu tunapozidi kunyamasia issues kama hizo then tunazidi kupoteza mazingira, tunazidi kupoteza viumbe na pia tunazidi kujiumiza, sababu ugonjwa ikiingia hii mwili inaingia with sense pain, lakini ikitoka inatoka na thousands to millions. So let's try as much as possible to make sure that all the inputs tunatumia are favorable to our existence.
So of late tumekuwa tukiona wetlands zetu zinaharibika. Vile mtu wa WRA alisema tunapata tunalima katika these riparian areas. Number 2, tunaweka zile banned pesticides kama kausha, DDT. Na unajua hizi vile mambo kunanyesha, unapata hiyo maji yote, hiyo chemical yote inaenda wapi? Kwa mito. And then the other thing is that pia tunapanda nini? Eucalyptus tree.
Bobwe bakenda boe 10
kama wale wazee wamesema 1960. Maji ilikuwa mingi sivyo? Na saa hii hakuna maji. Maji imeenda wapi? Imekauka. Kwa nini inakauka? Kwa sababu ya mimi na wewe. Kwa sababu ile maneno ambayo tunafanya katika wetlands zetu ni maneno ambayo haiwezi leta faida katika wetlands zetu. Kuna maneno mengi sana tunafanya. Unapata hizi wetlands zamani watu hawako wanalima. Sasa hivi unapata watu wanalima nduma. Nani hapo wanalima nduma? Watu wengi sana wanalima nduma. Na wanalima nduma wapi? Kwa wetlands ama kwa riparian area. Na ukiambiwa wasilime wanakuambia nini? Watoto watafanya nini? Watalala njaa. Lakini tukiendelea kudestroy hizi wetlands ndio tutalala njaa zaidi. Tuendelea kulala njaa zaidi.
Nkiripotera Meru TV Mbita Jeff Wagitumam.
Ibo ya muno mwandiki wetu wa Ndeto Jeff Wagituma no ndubariboti una njira ikinyanilite riboti ya Jeff Wagituma yatwekira gatanta kandeto chia Meru TV oro wambita muthoni bakiramana monanile wetu wa mathithio au karipol wangujiri na mutegeri wa Meru TV atwa uchokire nkato cha mwanya muno no tubokona kanya ka ututhiatira kimitandao ya ukinyanire Facebook na kinya YouTube amona kinya na ututhiatira kiri Signet na Pang Meru TV andiki beto bandeto erekire na ringi mbicha twapochokire nkato muno tubotira Meru TV oro ikumba kwithira ikinyanira.
Karibu Embu College, mahali vipaji vinageuka kuwa taaluma. Hapa tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu mwenye ujuzi unaotafutwa duniani leo. Kozi zetu ni pamoja na biashara na uhasibu, kupata msingi imara wa dunia ya fedha na biashara, uandishi, kujenga, kubuni na kuunda suluhisho za kifundi, ususi na urembo kwa ubunifu unaogusa maisha na kuongeza uelendi, upishi, kuleta ujuzi wa mapishi ya kitaalamu na ladha zinazovutia, usimamizi wa utalii, kukuandaa kwa fursa katika sekta ya utalii na huduma, sayansi ya kompyuta na tehema ambapo teknolojia ya kesho inaanza leo, elimu ya udhibiti wa uhalifu, kuchangia usalama na ustawi wa jamii, mhudumu wa afya, wahudumia wengine kwa uelendi na huruma, udereva kwa ujuzi salama na wa kuaminika barabarani. Chagua Embu College. Safari yako ya mafanikio inaanza na hatua moja. Jiunge nasi leo kwa kupiga simu 0721 152 709 ama ututembelee katika mitandao ya kijamii Facebook, Instagram na TikTok ni @Embu College. Embu College, skills to go places.
Know your heroes.
There is nowhere I sat down and I decided that now this is what I want to do. I just found myself doing it. Even before I started running, I had already joined Kenya Prisons as a prison officer. I was a professional athlete for 20 good years. My very first medal was in 1999 when I represented my country in World Half Marathon. Silver in 2004 Olympics, 2005 a silver, Helsinki World Championships, gold in the year 2007, championship in Osaka, and a silver in Beijing Olympics. I have been well celebrated. What I believe can be done differently is that they need to be taken care of, and first of all, they need to be educated. I would like to urge them that one thing they should pay attention to, they should not get enticed on doping, because those shortcuts, if they dare to take the shortcut, they'll come to pay back.
Know your heroes is sponsored by Daka Natatua. 30% of proceeds go towards nurturing talent at grassroots level. Know your heroes.
I started my career like when I was in high school. I remember when I was in high school, I once became a national champion in 800 meters. I went to East Africa, I brought bronze. I became the national champion in prison championship, 400 and 800 meters. We went for the nationals. I became a national champion in 800 meters. I went to Accra, Ghana. I think that was my first senior championship. I became number 4 in the finals. We went to Cameroon. I brought silver medal. Sasa ni kama klasi yangu ilikuwa track. Nilishindwa na hiyo klasi ingine ni track. It's not an easy job, let me say so. You have to balance the family affairs and the track affairs, you know. Mtu anakutaka kwa uwanja, mtoto anakutaka kwa nyumba. So it's not an easy thing, but you have to sacrifice a lot. It's all about giving out your best. You sacrifice a lot. You'll have to explain to them like, I'll not be there with you for such and such a time, but when I'll be done with this athletics, I'll be with them, yeah. So in athletics, you might win today, tomorrow you're not a winner. But that doesn't mean that fans should should lose hope on you. No.
Know your heroes is sponsored by Daka Natatua. 30% of proceeds go towards nurturing talent at grassroots level.
Wewe unaweza kula na kuna mtu katika mtaa hajakula hapo njaa. So this one has been giving us a challenge, and we find that wherever we find partners, we want to bring them, we want to call upon them to come and help the people of Kibera and the people of Sarangombe.
Ni vizuri wametuconsider sisi walemavu, na mara nyingi vitu kama hizo huja na alafu zinang'ang'aniwa na wale sio walemavu.
I want to thank Tatua Tatu in a special way for making this program successful and providing for us.
May God give you more so that you can help us.
Asante sana Tatu Watatu.
Asante sana kwa hiyo msaada. Erokamano ahinya.
Erokamano Tatu Watatu.
Erokamano Tatu Watatu.
Anasema shukrani na asema Mungu awazidi kuwabarikia. Your well will never run dry. God bless.
Todego. Ni mubea muno. Nondo agonewe leo. Ni mubea. Atandi.
I want to really appreciate, as a deaf community member in Kibera, thank you so much for all these things you have given to us. And one of the things that I will say, even as a spiritual guide, is that generosity is the thing that will really heal our society.
Thank you for the tattoo, because we are here for help us. Now we appreciate for that.
Na feel tu niko poa, na feel at least ni kama hata niko na mambo yanaweza fly.
Asante sana.
Tunafurahia kuwa hapa maeneo ya Iego Primary School na bila shaka leo watu wengi watapokea chakula. Leo kutakuwa na furaha katika nyumba nyingi. Vile vile pia tunafurahia kwa sababu kuna tangi, kumekuwa na shida ya maji hapa. Kutakuwa na kidogo tutakuwa tumetatua. Kama kawaida yote ni kwa hisani ya Tatu Watatu.
Tunashukuru sana Tatu Watatu. I am proud to be associated with Tatu Watatu. Nafurahia sana na tuendelee hivyo na Mungu atazidi kutuinua.
Ngagwe uri mu Kenya muchiacha na nukuria ni kiama kiriko ugatonya gukinyaniria kiroto giaku gichiacha Nandi kiama kia Nopeo ni kirugurite mirango yakio ni undu bwaku Nandi no uchiandikithie no gatuika mukiama wa Nopeo uri muchigo waku dial *509# na uthingatire uria umba guchiandikithia ta mukiama wa Nopeo kana guchiembiria kiamene kiria uri na gitio kugweria nkoroki no uchiandikithie gukorokera eCitizen kana kiri political party portal gukorokera www.ipms.orpp.or.ke kiama kia Nopeo nikio gitongeretie Meru na Kenya ngima chiandikithie narua ta mumemba kiama toriuga Nopeo tupande ngazi pamoja.